We are in a 2019 Ford Ranger and we're using Sync 3. We're going to show you today how to use Valet Mode. Valet Mode is important if you're going to valet park your car, someone's going to drive it that you don't know who they are. Even if you're going to leave it parked somewhere when you're on vacation, the airport, that's a good idea to put your car into Valet Mode. That way no one can change any settings, no one can look at your navigation settings, can't see any of the addresses you have saved, your home address. So from the home screen in Sync 3, you're going to go to Settings, you're going to swipe right, and then select Valet Mode. It's going to ask you for a 4-digit PIN number. This number can be changed every time you use Valet Mode. You don't have to remember this number for the life of the car. You can use a different PIN every time you use it. You'll say yes to continue, and you'll enter a 4-digit code. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter it again. And now this screen is locked in Valet Mode. I can't touch anything else. Someone that you hand your car off to valet park it wouldn't be able to see any information. And then when you get back to your car, you put your code back in, and all the screen functions come back.